What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be trying to get videos done out of the way here. I've been ordering stuff to add to the channel, and I'm not gonna lie, I overwhelmed myself, and I don't know if you could tell, but I got pink eye right now. I can't even tell if it focused. Oh, it doesn't look as bad as it did this morning, but I went to Kalahari water park and I left with stink eye. Someone pooped in the wave pool, and I'm convinced at this point that I got stink eye because of it. Whatever, it is what it is. This is the focus of today's video. We've got this bad boy as one thing, just to see how we like it. And then I ended up picking up this piece of equipment here, which you're not going to be able to tell much from the box, like this other box, but they're both ways for me to attach my GoPro. So one of the cool things that I've been wanting to do with the GoPro was better POV videos. Now that I'm actually on camera, I can, you know, not worry about reflections. I know that was so stupid in the beginning, but it is what it is. I had my issues. I still have many issues, but now we can film. This is my kind of like go-to default setup. And the cool thing with a GoPro, especially, what is this, the 11, is it's got the front-facing and rear-facing camera. And I'm able to do videos like this if I need to, but I do want to have a way to mount it. Now, I have a hat, which I will be experimenting with at some point, and it's not bad. It's cool because I could mount the GoPro here. I also have a session, which I was putting once upon a time on my pressure washer handles when I was doing videos. So that might make a comeback also, depends, we'll see. But I like this hat because if you look inside here, there's a mounting location here or here. So I could technically move this bracket up here and be able to have whatever. But I think it's gonna look stupid. So we're gonna open this thing up and just give you my impression of it. Right out of the box, it looks like this. Now, I was hearing people say things about how much difficulty they were having locking it back in to place here, which I don't know, maybe they're just not. That's really no difficulty. This feels pretty good. It doesn't feel cumbersome, and I like that you can move it and position it better. You can put things down, and then when you're done, just push this button on the back here, and this comes off. Really, all that comes in there in this kit is the actual mount. Comes with one of these types of brackets, which you could mount here if you wanted, I guess, I don't know why you would want that, honestly, because this turns. So if you want oh, it's magnetic? It's weird. I guess this is, so if you want to do vertical video. I don't do vertical video. Or at least I don't plan on doing vertical video. This also comes with, probably be easier if I took it out of the cell phone mount, I guess. And more mounting brackets. Another mounting bracket. Again, none of this is stuff I would want to use. So I don't have the back of this. It's in one of the containers because I've been using a different container. But I'm just gonna mount this I'm gonna see how it looks. Even with the camera on there, it was easy to put on. So I can see me. You're gonna have to attach your camera to the it's on. You're gonna have to attach your camera to the app, obviously, if you want to know for sure what in the hell you're recording. But so it's recording now. We're gonna switch to this camera and see what kind of footage we're getting right now. I'm just walking around. I'm gonna have to take my chain off. I'm gonna put it to the back of my neck right now. But I can tell you right now, just wearing this does not feel like anything bad at all. It actually feels really good, which is crazy. This is something I definitely could see myself using. Had to take my chain off, but obviously bending down, you know, you're gonna have that droop. So, you know, I'd have to like bend down like this, and you know, if I want to pick something up, but you know, lifting my arms up, moving, you get the whole, I'm touching things. I'm doing stuff. So you get that whole visual, which is cool. And then I can turn the video off. Now, other people were complaining about having trouble getting it on or off. And I don't see that. That was a concern based on that one review I read. So I'm glad I don't listen to reviews all the time, but this mechanism seems very, very easy on and off. Price of this, stupid cheap. So this isn't some long-term review. This is just showing you two products. So this is gonna be the second product. Now, this one I've had pop up on my feed so many times. They have a cheaper version. Obviously, you know, the green caught my attention because I have a green vehicle now. But it's a magnetic system. So this is going to be the main part. If you want to mount on your shirt, there's inserts. So inside of here, there are backing inserts. So the one piece would go like inside your shirt, and then the other piece, Jesus, the magnet's fucking serious. I don't understand. Okay, so this is like the main piece where the camera can mount onto, right? So we're gonna put this on there. And we're gonna tighten this down. So I want to leave a little bit of wiggle. Now I don't understand. This is why I couldn't get this off. Unbelievable. So this is the normal piece, right? So this is gonna be, like I said, what goes in your shirt if you want to have your GoPro on your shirt. And you can move around. It's staying. I don't know. But, and then when you want to take it off, you're just moving it, right? So that's like the base that stays on it. And then is this piece. Where is it? So there's two pieces. There's one here which attaches to any handle. So say something like this. So I can have this mounted on here. So say I want to take this off. I'm gonna have to show you because it looks stupid if I don't. So this is one of my favorite mounts. It's a symmetry, I don't know. It is what it is, but it just goes on. So what I'm gonna do is show you real quickly these things in action. I think it's a smart design. Am I gonna keep both? Yes, I'm gonna. So, number one, we have our camera mounted here. So, we're gonna turn this camera on. We're gonna make sure we're filming. So now we're filming. See what we're doing? You can see what we're filming, right? So now this is a first-hand look. We have this set up here, right? This is ready at any time. So if I want to go off of POV, I'm basically just gonna remove you from my body and attach you to the GoPro magnetically, right? So now I can go on a GoPro and do this kind of video with my messiness and bad lighting and bad eye contact as usual. But it's something versatile. And here we are back to my hot ass mess of a system. But as I was showing you, this is another version. So what I think this is why I couldn't get that off in the beginning. This has like these little locking tabs, so I'm gonna show you on the other camera right now. So like I said, this piece here, this has the little mounting tabs. So if you come in on an angle here, it locks in, and then you turn. Wait, oh, you gotta come in on this side here. And when you turn, what ends up happening is, now here, this can't pull off. See? The only way, let me turn this camera off. The only way you're gonna get this GoPro off this mount is if you turn it and pull it. So this would probably be the one that I would use. The other one would be if I have multiple tripods, which I do. So I could have one on the floor and have this mounting bracket, which may not need to have any extra, or I could have this one, which is like a twist and lock. So this isn't like some absurd holding thing. And with these tripods, like always, I can just, you know, aim, point, and I got the ball head here. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool duo, not just a solo. I mean, you could just get the one. This has, I don't know, it's green and black, which is kind of cool because it kind of goes with the theme of the Escalade, just a different kind of green. But they do make one that doesn't have the extra brackets. So I think the one I got was like 59 or 69. I'm gonna link it down below. But I do recommend, honestly, going and getting the extra brackets because it just adds to the versatility of things. And for this right here, I think this is a no-brainer. I've seen the chest-mounted rigs, and I don't really love them just because, well, two reasons. One, it's like I'm putting on extra clothes. Oh, no. No. My boy doesn't get tilted to the side. One, I was like adding extra things. Like I gotta put a strap on. That sounds weird. So let's not. But one, I had to put these things on and strap myself in, or I had to have a hat. And the other one I was using, it was like a clip that would go on your hat. So if you were wearing it as a backwards cap, but I sweat when I wear hats sometimes, so it's really not useful for that. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you, and thank you for stopping by. Tell me which one in the comment section below that you like, and which one you would consider buying. I'm gonna link them both down below. I think they're both awesome, and I truly appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you guys in the next one.